Hello children, welcome to the online education classes presented by Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation of Education Department. Standard 4th, today's subject is English grammar. The topic is pronoun and its type. Myself, I am Swapna Jilla. Today I am going to teach you all the topic that is pronoun and its different types. So come on children, let's study what is pronoun and what are its different types. So here is one paragraph. I'm going to read a paragraph for you all. Listen to the paragraph. Josh and Jia are twins. Josh is a boy, Jia is a girl. Josh and Jia went to Aunt Julie's house. Josh and Jia had fun at Aunt Julie's home. Now children, here in the sentence, the noun, Josh and Jia, they are the noun. The noun is repeated several times in the paragraph. So it creates a repetition, a lot of repetition and a boredom for a reader. So to avoid this repetition, we make use of certain words. So let's see which words we use and what that words are called. So children, let's learn more about pronoun and its types. He is my father. The word he. Now the he is used for a noun. Instead of that father's name, he is used in place of his name. So he is a pronoun. Now he is used for a masculine gender. She is my mother. A she word is used for a lady, for a mother, instead of a noun, name. So she is my mother. She is very beautiful. So the word here she is a pronoun. They are my friends. We all are equal. Now children, you can see in the picture that there are more peoples are there in the picture, more than one. So if there is a plural form of a noun, we use they, we. Now what about the things, places, animals and temperature when we are talking about the things and animals? There is a certain fixed pronoun which you should remember always, it. It is a pronoun that is used for the things, for animals, for places, for time, to show the temperature and when we are talking about the weather. For example, it is my bag. So it, because it is a thing, so we use it. It is my pet. So it, because it's an animal. When we are talking about an animal and a bird, we don't know about its gender. So we use common gender, the neuter gender, that is it. It is a hot day. So now that we are talking about a day. So day is not a female or a male or any gender. So it's a neuter. So we use it. So remember children, it is used for a common gender, a neuter gender. So let's see the definition now. Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns to make it less repetitive. I repeat once again, remember the definition. Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns to make it less repetitive. Example, just we saw before the sentences, I, he, she, it, they, them, you, me, and us. So children, pronouns are of 9 types. There are total 9 types of pronouns. So, but today we are going to study only the 4 pronouns. That is personal pronoun, that is related to the person. Interrogative pronoun, that is asking the questions. Possessive pronoun, that reflects to the possession. And reflexive pronoun. So let's study one by one in detail. So the very first is the personal pronoun. The personal pronoun, children, in personal pronoun, there are 3 persons. First person, second person, and third person. Now, what are these persons? A first person is a person who is speaking. So now here, who is speaking? I am speaking. The teacher is speaking. So I am a first person. A second person is the listener, the one who is listening to the speaker. So that is the second person. So here, children, you all are listening to the teacher. So you are a second person. Third person. A third person is a person whom we are talking about. That's a third person. Now this person's also, it changes according to its singular and its plural. Singular and plural, children, we have already studied the what is singular. Singular means a single. When there is one thing or one animal or a one person or one place. Plural means many. When there are many persons, maybe we are talking about many things or many places we are talking about. So that is a plural. So for it changes. Singular is I, me, mine. Mine is used to show the position. That is, this is mine. This is my book. This is my pen. Plural. We, us, ours. Used for both the genders. For male also and for female also. Second person is you, yours. Now, you and yours are used for both the genders. The third person is he, his, him is used for masculine, that is for male, for boys. She, her, hers. Now this is for feminine, that is for female. For girls we use she. She is a beautiful girl. She is a smart girl. He is a smart boy. So he is used for boys and she, her and hers is used for girls. And children, it. As we studied earlier, it is a neuter gender. When there is gender is not confirmed, when we don't know about the gender, we use it. Now, let's study few examples of personal pronoun. Examples. He went to the market. So he is the personal pronoun. She is doing the laundry. She. They are going to school. They. I am a student. I. We will go to market. We. You only think about yourself. You. So here this is a personal pronoun. Come on. Now we will see our second pronoun. That is interrogative pronoun. Now children, interrogative pronoun means it's asking a question. There is a question mark you can see at the end of all the sentences. Yes? You also keeps on asking questions all the time to your teacher, to your mother, to your parents, to your friends. So that is a interrogative pronoun. Examples. What is your name? Which is your favorite fruit? Who is your brother? Whom did you meet? Whose book is this? Now this is the very common sentence which you use regularly in the school. Whose book is this? Whose pen is this? Whose bottle is this? So children, what, which, who, whom and whose. These are the interrogative pronouns. So remember, what is interrogative pronoun? It's asking the question. The sentence ends with a question mark. Now we'll see the third pronoun, that is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Now suppose an interrogative pronoun we studied, whose book is this? So that is an interrogative pronoun. So when you are asking the question, somebody will give you answer, no? This is mine. This book is mine. This is my pen. Okay? If somebody knows that whose pen is this or whose book is this, then what they will say? Hey, this book is his. This book is hers. It is your book. And you will return to them. Yes? So that is the possessive pronoun which tells us the possession or the ownership of the things. So this pen is my pen, not your pen. So my pen, not your pen. So showing the position, this pen is mine. So mine, yours, his, hers, ours. Now word ours. Ours means everybody's. It is used for everybody. Now for example, whose classroom is this? Now if somebody asks, whose classroom is this? So a classroom is not belongs to the one person or two person. It belongs to everybody in the class. So what you will say? It's our classroom. So that is a possession showing the possession or ownership. So that is called as a possessive pronoun. Now, quickly we are going to see the last fourth pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. Now children, reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that is formed by adding self or selves. I repeat, pronoun that is formed by adding self or selves to a personal pronoun is called a reflexive pronoun. Easy, right? For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now it changes depending upon the type of sentence, whether it is a singular, whether it is a plural. Okay, for singular, it myself, yourself, himself, and herself we use. And for plural, we use ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Come on, so quickly see the sentences. I am happy with myself. I am happy with myself. Even you will be happy with yourself, right? So I am happy with myself. So I am telling about myself. That is a reflexive pronoun. The word self is showing that it's reflexive pronoun. They enjoyed themselves. They went to picnic and they enjoyed themselves. So now themselves is a plural because they word is there. They pronoun is a plural pronoun. We must do our homework ourselves. Exactly. We must do our homework ourselves, right? We should not take help of our parents and brothers. And we should not copy also. Be honest in doing the homework, children. So I'm going to give you all homework also today. So be honest and do your homework yourself. Meera looked at herself in the mirror. So Meera looked at herself. Now why herself? Now why not himself? Because Meera is a girl. Meera is a girl. So the girl will use herself and the boys will use himself. Now suppose if I'll change the name of Meera. I'll say Mohan. So Mohan looked at himself in the mirror. Okay, children. So the reflexive pronoun changes according to the gender, according to its plural forms. So remember which pronoun you are going to use at when. Now, children, we studied the 4 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So children, now it's an evaluation down. Now let's see how much you have understood with solving a few examples. Now here, dash washed plate myself. So children, here the answers I have already given you all. So see how you have to do this work, how you have to do the worksheets now. Dash washed plate myself. So myself is there. So you will use pronoun I. Dash didn't hurt herself. So herself. So herself is there. So it's a girl, her. So we will use she. Dash enjoyed themselves at the party. So themselves, it's a plural form. So we will use a plural personal pronoun, that is they. Dash only think about yourself. So you. Dash cut himself. Himself means he. Okay, now it's your turn to give me the answers. Are you all ready, children? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Come on. Now let's see who gives me the maximum answers. Who is the very intelligent and the brilliant child in the class? Dash. Now complete the sentence with interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, that is asking the question. Dash umbrella is this?
Whose?
Very good. A big clap for Manisha. Whose? Dash is your favorite book?
Which?
Wow.
Which?
Which? Excellent. Excellent answer. Which is your favorite book? Dash is your teacher's name?
What?
What is your teacher's name? Brilliant, huh? Very intelligent students are there in the class. Dash is your best friend. Very good. Very good, children. A big round of applause to everybody. Clap for yourself, huh? Clap for yourself, all of you. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. Now, a last worksheet for you all. Complete the sentence with reflexive pronoun. The sentence is, my father drives car by dash. Now, children, two options are given, himself and myself. So, my father drives car by
Himself.
very good. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Anushka. So, by himself, because it's a father. My father is driving. I am not driving. Yes, I am not driving. My father is driving. So himself. Very good answer. Now, next is, be careful. Don't hurt.
Yourself.
Very good. Excellent answers. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. I baked cake. I baked cake. Myself. Very good. Very good, children. Last one for y'all. Now let's see who gives a quick answer. They planted tree
Themselves.
themselves. Yes, that was a wonderful answers from everybody. Give a big round of applause and please clap, children, for yourself. That was a very good answers. Okay, children. So I hope you enjoyed. You enjoyed, children?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, and even I too enjoyed teaching you. Thank you, children. We'll see you next time soon. Bye, children. Thank you, all of you. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye, teacher.